Okay, we got the P-40. This has got ailerons, elevator and rudder and motor control. Here's the remote. Got the new makeshift runway. So, without further wait, let's give her a shot. Whoa! That thing's got some pep, and wow, look at it fly. And it's controllable. How about that? Nice. This is like the T-28 Trojan and the F4U Corsairs. Just like it. That is so fun. And it looks awesome too. Look at that, up there in no time. Loop for you. It'll roll. Yeah, this one has the expert mode. You can shut it off. You can shut the gyro off. That's how I'm used to flying. No gyro. Go on the other side of the road. Oh, the sun is blinding me, so I'm going to come back this way. Look at that thing go. Wow. Definitely worth the money, these are, for sure. Very fun. Very responsive too, as you can see. It goes where I tell it to. Alright, let's see if we can't line it up with the runway. I gotta hit this runway once. I'll get better at it, guys. I'll practice. Never had the luxury of a runway. Big parking lot would be nice. They don't like it when you shut the motors off. There's not much gliders. Too nose heavy. So remember that. Keep the motors running when you try to come in for a landing. Just a little bit anyway. I've got the motor down about a quarter of the way. Really don't like that either. About halfway. Maybe kill it right at the last minute. Well, it's going to be tricky. It's going to be tricky to try to land it on the runway. Get a better run at it. Oh, yeah, I don't know. That still flies pretty good at low throttle. Gotta love them ailerons. A little bank and yank action. And pull you out of the way of trouble, that's for sure. The rudders, not so much, but ailerons are my friend. I'm gonna have to adjust this elevator a little bit. Pointing up too much. There we go. This is fresh out of the box, made in flight. Haven't done any pre-flights or anything like that. So, trimming it as we go. Wow, what a fun plane to fly. That's so cool. About got her running level now. Oh, watch that tree. Alright, let's try this. Nope. Oh, terrible landing. Sorry about that, guys. These things are so lightweight they don't take much. Or they take a beating and it don't even bother them. It's got breakaway props. Look at that. No damage. Now let's give it one more attempt, try to land it. Whoops. Whoa. There's that breakaway prop. I'm kind of glad it did that, so it'll show you how they just pop off. And they just pop back on. You gotta line it up the hole. Bam. Alright. Uh-oh, I didn't get it on there good. Look at me. Okay, I think I got it that time. Excuse me. There we go, that's better. Nice thing about a little styrofoam airplane, they can take a crash. Alright, bugs are getting me. Okay, let's see. I gotta get this landing. Oh boy. Got the corn. Caught the corn. Where'd you go? There she is. Uh-oh. Where's the prop? Gotta be here somewhere. Close by. If not, they come with a bunch of extras. Oh, look at there. Look at, I found it. Hey. Yeah, didn't think I'd be climbing through the corn today. But sometimes you have that. You gotta embrace the crash. Sometimes it takes crashing to get a little better, to learn. These are all new to me. I've been used to flying my DIY one. Made out of Dollar Tree foam. So this is really cool, but different. Okay, let's give it another shot. Look at that, guys, right back up in there after that crash. I definitely got her leveled out. That's a whole different world trying to land on a runway.